Straight out of Louisiana kitchen. Oh, Popeyes. Come on back, baby. See what kind of good we got in the bag. I know you wonder. Yeah, so come on back. Let's dig up in the bag. Yes, sir. Master.
Baby Fresh 2.0.
You too. Back at it, baby. Up here at Popeyes. Trying the new 8-piece chicken nuggets. But got like a combo. You see, you got the choice between the 8-piece or the 12-piece. Boy told me $3.99, but hey, maybe I misunderstood him. Cause they had the price when I got the price was $7.99. But shoot, and the damn 12 people about nine something, I think. Yeah. Well, worth that, I don't know. I just played it safe and got the 8-piece. Ain't saying it's gonna be all that. The sauce, I don't care about the sauce, but I told him give me ranch. At first I told him give me ranch. And I said, man, let's throw some ketchup in there. Yeah, he throw both of them in there. Shit. Yeah. For ass. You get the nuggets. The last damn biscuit. Look bigger than what it is, no, it's the last shit. Man, potatoes. Speaking of mashed potatoes, look in the damn bag. I don't think they gave me no damn spoon. I'll be damn. Look at this. Let's put this. Look at this shit. Look at this now. They got damn food leaf out in this damn bag. It ain't no magic trick. Hey, damn. Hey, new Popeyes. What's up with that? What up with that? Why you ain't giving no damn spoon, man? Damn, that shows now you got to check before you leave the damn place. How the hell I'm gonna eat this? How the hell I'm gonna eat damn potatoes? Woo! Stink though. But they gotta be ate though. But I eat one way or another. But damn, look at that damn biscuit. And here you the nuggets. Get the focus in, don't focus. If it's showing white on the inside, we're gonna see. Well, not bad. A little white meat. But burn my tongue to the white meat. Beat that to the white meat. Man. With the rest of mine. Be honest with you? Yeah. I'm thinking it was. They pretty much giving McDonald's run for the nuggets. What? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, dude. They're pretty good. Damn, biscuit been bigger. Let's put some of that buttermilk ranch on and see what's up. See what time it is. Damn. Yeah, damn. I can't. I'm finna dip in though, but it was look like. I can get the focus in. I don't want to focus in on that there. You know it must be side in. Oh, there it is. It's trying to come in. Focus, damn it. Damn. Oh, my gun ringing too damn white. Good try, man. I mean, I should have zoomed up on it. You can see a little bit. It ain't all that smells just like buttermilk. It's just appetite. It smells just like damn buttermilk. Dip it in there. See what's up. See what's up, baby. I don't like that shit. Not a big fan of sausage, bro. You know what? It's been a long time. I've been waiting for these damn Popeyes nuggets, chicken nuggets for a long time, man. I know I have seen them on TV in other places. I said, damn. I said, y'all got Popeyes chicken nuggets? No, sir, we didn't have no chicken nuggets. I said, what? What? But you got that sorry ass chicken sandwich. That's what I started telling them. One thing of mine told me to tell them that, but I didn't do it. I just eased on with it. But the damnest thing I wish I had to do was get that damn chicken sandwich. That was a mistake. Believe that. Now on a scale of 1 to 10, 1 to 10, I think we do 1 to 5. Now let's go with a scale out of 1 to 5. Out of 1 to 5, I give it a 5. Yeah, it's pretty good. It surprised me. It got a good taste to it. Good thing about it, you probably need these left over next day. What? That's another for your mind, baby. I reckon this about wraps up with the chicken nuggets. Popeyes, you just did something right. And I got that Sprite. It tastes damn good. Hey, Popeyes doing something right. I ain't get chicken today, but damn, that damn biscuit. That damn. I gotta, before we go back, I'm still on this damn spoon shit, man. Why you ain't giving no damn spoon? Come on, Popeye. Damn. Damn, I didn't even think check damn bag. Well, I guess the little white girl had me hypnotized already. It makes you look decent, man. But damn, you gotta remember, people, just check your stuff before you leave. Damn, now what if I had got down to the house? Not about to have a spoon, but what if I got down the road someone to eat some of it? And damn, I'm about to dig in and eat my damn hand. Hey, I had done before, but it wouldn't be the first time. But damn, people, you know what I'm saying? Damn, throw a damn spoon, man. I already had that spoon, that sorry ass ranch. You know what I'm saying? Really didn't tell. I told him the first time he gave it to me. But on the real, I could have done without it. Ketchup do just fine, baby. Now, before I let you go, I need you to do one thing for me. Subscribe, leave a like, comment, and ring that bell, baby, so you know when your boy hit another video up. To all my subs, man, you know what's up. Appreciate you, I love you. Let's keep going, baby. Try to get 300, man. It's a struggle, man. I'm trying to get there. Love to get there. And all you watching, share this ball with your friends. Share the video. Wherever, anybody, it don't matter. Share it on Facebook, Instagram. Hell, put it on TikTok. I don't care, man. Just share, baby. Spread the love. We out, baby. It's your boy, Baby Fresh 2.0. I holla. Okay, people. Here's what we're working with. Look at the little ass damn biscuit. Damn, Popeye. Damn. Damn nugget. Yeah. Something. With, look crispy, don't it? Shoot, you know my motto. Well, look good. Just cause it look good don't mean it's good. Well, we about to find out what it tastes like though. So here we go. Let's get on with it. Oh. And damn. Shit. Got them mashed taters. Them mashed potatoes. And probably ain't worth a damn, but yeah. We'll find out. Yes, sir.